All right, this video is going to demonstrate how to manually go into the cleaning mode. Sometimes if the machine hasn't been run for a few weeks, we gotta clean it like twice and then do a test print. So this has to do with the roll of paper. This has to do, I don't know, cut, but this is what we're gonna work with for the ink, for the image quality. So press this button. We're gonna do a head cleaning. Okay. And this one, I'm just going to clean all of them. So to clean all, I want to check this first box. I believe if I just press down, there we go. Every single one of these is checked. Now I'm going to select OK for done. OK to start. And the cleaning is going to be 10 minutes or so.